If you can't figure out how to install apps on your Samsung Smart TV, we've got you covered. I'm Priyank, you're watching Candid.Technology, and here's how to install apps on your Samsung Smart TV in a jiffy. To install apps on your Samsung Smart TV, all you need to do is press the home button on your remote, then head to the apps option to the left, then select it. Over here, you'll find all the apps available for your Samsung Smart TV. Note that not all apps on the Android Play Store are available here since Samsung Smart TVs work with Tizen OS. So let's say we want to install Twitch. We're just going to head to Twitch, select it, and then select the install option that appears. As you can see, Twitch is installed, and now we can open it. And as you can see, Twitch has been installed, and you can now access all the streams on Twitch as well as sign into it. And that's how you install any app on Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a comment down below telling us what else can we help you with. If you'd like to read more about tech, head to our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.